Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Swastiastu. Welcome our
Batur Geopark.
I would like to tell you about Batur Geopark. Before we tell you about Batur Geopark, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Made Sadika Puziana.
My name is Made Batubai Kubera.
And my name is Iko Mahadiwiranat.
Okay, do you know what Batur Geopark? Batur Geopark is an area or a heritage site geology which has of value, ecological and cultural heritage and serve as a regional conversion, education and sustainable development.
We just take video only from the outside of museum because the museum closed. Batur Volcano Museum is one of the new museum was inaugurated on May 10th, 2007. Is the Batur Volcano Museum located in the Natural Park Pendelokan Kintamani, Bangli. This is museum is a reportage of objects that historical value of search as the medium of information science such as geology, mineral information, education on fireplace and into the holy mountains as a tourist destination as well as to stimulate the brain and recall the history of the volcano eruption on the South Kintamani. Here we will watch closely the various issues related to the volcano, especially as the Batur volcano lava lamps of from year to year, the eruption Moon Batur miniature various monitoring equipment during the light and from various other rock type from the volcano and description. Then there are some tools the sciences as to study volcano as well as photograph of Moon Batur and several volcano in Indonesia and description and edition. The mythology is concrete with Moon Batur. It's also explained in museum. All mysteries relating to the volcano we can see and learn at Batur Volcano Museum. We can also see the activities of Moon Batur from space observation using a telescope that has been provided by the museum. Batur Volcano is the main attraction by museum. Tourist attraction for the education of students and science who wants to learn about the geology and volcanic activity, cloud pit with the cold water and beautiful natural scenery in addition to entry to museum volcano, not the war but free entry fee.
Okay, from here you can look the Mount Batur, Caldera 1 and the Caldera 2. You know, Mount Batur in Bali finally recognized as the first in Indonesia announced World Geopark by UNESCO in its official website on 22 September. Located in the northwest of Mount Agung, the mountain has a caldera measuring 13.8 times 10 km and is one of the largest in the world. Caldera Dyke ranges from 1,267 meters until 2,152 meters. Inside the Caldera 1, Mount Caldera 2, that shape circular with a diameter of approximately 7 km. Basic to caldera located between 120 until 300 meters lower than the Una Kintamani or basic caldera one. Inside the caldera are crescent-shaped lake has length of about 7.5 km, a maximum weight of 2.5 km, circums about 22 km, and a weight of about 16 km square, which is called Lake Batur. Mount Batur caldera formed by the two expanded major eruptions 29,320 and 150 years ago. Mount Batur has erupted many times starting in 1804 and the last eruption occurred in 2000. From 1804 to 2005, Mount Batur has erupted 26 times and the most devastating occurred in 2 August and ending 21 September 1926. Batur has a 3 elements and it becomes geopark. The first element is geological diversity or geodiversity. For example, Kintamani has a beautiful scenery, 2 calderas, and a beautiful lake. The second element is biological. For example, Kintamani has a unique tree in Trunyan, orange, and Kintamani dogs. And the last element is culture or culture diversity. For example, Kintamani has Barong Brutuk and unique funeral reception in Trunyan.
Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die.
In history or in the now with the chronicle in Bali mentioned it as a vassal of Majapahit, as part authorities on the sub dalam Ketut Mesir as executor. The deployment of this ruling relatives of prolongation of several places of worship such as Mountain Batu Karu and including Batu Temple itself. Some authorities are very correct Bali Temple vocation as a faith or worship such as dalam one triangle. She was very instrumental in bringing together Batur as well as Dangyang Dirata, Hindu friends become to in 1465. Is very active, spreading and strengthening the roots, the religious culture in Bali Hindu throughout Bali. Originally, Batur Temple is located in the village of Batur and located at the foot of Mount Batur, overlooking in the lake and mountain shelf. This located in the private and full district in the traditional church as well as external church. Among the church that were perpetuated, temple was set in 1869 before the temple is in Disari erected by the lava. There is also the church the Sai hold the temple in 1900 after the lava completely engulfed the main gate of the back of the location of the temple. The church site in 1919 of the Batu Temple is still worshipped and visited by the surrounding community. Eruption of Mount Batur chilled in 1926 was a cause of emigration Ulu Danu Batu Temple. Batur Temple, Batur, and the village Pendali in their eruption of Mount Batur. This movement not only in terms of people but also includes development associated with the temple or servant. In the subplates, temple is now located in the village is like structures Pakraman Sab and the Sab or temple building which is located at the foot of Mount Batur. The reference is the term of the breadth of the old temple is very broad, sub in comparison with that no, but seen from the location remain the same. Temple relocation to the new state is also based on consideration of the as listing the temple of worship. Although mountains up in the standby state, the public and still worship. Similarly, a glimpse of history in the Pura Batur is now extracted from relevant source. Greeting from Bali.
A few information about Mount Batur Geopark of our hope this information is useful for everyone and we hope the geopark itself can be known and known by the people of Bangli or outside Bangli. If there were flaws and faults in pronunciation, so we apologize and thank you. We close with Param Santi. Om Santi 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 Om.
Dengar resapi, camkan dan jangan berhenti karena sebuah pertanyaan perlahan menghampiri, mendekat dan merusak sistem kerja otak kiri. Setiap detik berdetak, menusuk-nusuk di hati.